Today we are going to design a book cover in Canva. So this is my mobile screen and create a design. Under this you can scroll right and choose the book cover. So scroll more, you will find book cover written like this. So click on this and then create blank. Now over here, if you already have downloaded a image, that will appear in your uploads and recently you can see it. If not, click on this upload media, go to device, and in your files you will see any of the image that you have. Search for its location and you can choose the image. I already have the image, so I am using this as it is. So once done, you can click and drag and adjust the image according to what you want to, and I think this is fine for me, so I am leaving it up to this much. And I want a background color to be yellow, so click on the background and click on this color plate. You can choose from here any of the color. Now this is too dark, so I'm not using this one, so I'll go to this color, and over here on this we can adjust like this. Now this is looking fine, or I can make it move more towards yellow and choose a color like this. So you can also drag and choose the color according to your wish. So this one is fine for me, and now click on the drawing or click on this back arrow, you will be taken to the main page. And now over here let's add the heading and the name. Now this is a book cover for a very famous novel called as The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain. So I'm going to write the title of the novel right now, but before that I'm just dragging this image a little bit down like this. Yeah, so now over here we'll be adding a title. So click on the plus sign, click on text, and you can either choose add heading or choose the templates which are given over here. So but make sure you're choosing the free one. So like check, yeah, it's free, so I have clicked on this one, and I am now erasing this bottom part as we don't need it, or we can simply delete this. And over here now just click and edit it. So here I'll be writing Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, and then adjust the size and drag and adjust the position accordingly. So this is too big, so I'm putting it in. So here there goes the name for the novel or the book cover, and a book cover usually has a title, a cover design, that is background, and the author's name is mandatory. So click on the plus sign, again click text, and over here choose add a subheading. Of course you can choose any template if you like to, or click on that, click on edit, and write the name of the author, which is Mark Twain in this case, and make sure you're writing the letters capital in sentence case, TWAIN. So done. So click outside the poster, and that's how your book cover looks like. Once you're done, click on these three sleeping dots, go down, click on download, and either you can choose the PDF or just choose the JPG, that is the image format, and then click download. Once done, it is, yeah, so as you can see over here, it is now downloaded and it's in the gallery of your phone. So you can go and check in the gallery. You will see in the downloads this book cover.